So this is Christine again. This is my page. It's not totally impressive. Um, These are going to be the courses I've taken. I think I'm going to restructure this a bit. Um, the first one is POL 500. It's a women.doc document. This is a paper I did on women in combat, which was good. However, I can't find the document. So this is only the 2-page summary of what I'm going to write right here. POL 510 is, I can't find any documentation on it. I checked sent files and all. I can't seem to find anything. I'm going to keep looking. 530 policy analysis. This was my final, which I'm not sure that I should really put this on here because it was more test material. In microeconomics, there were no papers assigned. It was more homework assignments, so I don't have anything to provide. I lack one class in this program, which is state and local finance, which is my biggest weakness. I struggled a lot in the microeconomics portion. Anything with numbers is my weakness. So I'll be taking one class in the spring and should graduate in May. Law and education, again, I'm looking for the document. I think it's on a separate system. POL 580, statistical analysis. There really wasn't anything I can upload here to my knowledge. It was test material only, which I have the documentation for. I just don't know that I'm really supposed to put it here. Research methods for public policy. I did an analysis on Barnstable County, which those of you that are local know that that's Cape Cod, on sustainability and the need for growth on the Cape and to bring higher end jobs to the Cape. Also, I have here applied policy research seminar. That's in regards to, this one is going to be on my position that I currently hold as regional PSAP coordinator for the state 911 department. And it doesn't, there we go. It did open. Sorry. I apparently have outdated virusware or something. I don't know. So this, I think, was like a 26-page paper, and it goes over some of the issues with the policy through the legislation that was passed in 2008 for a financial incentive to consolidate, and it's my overview of pros and cons of it. You go through here, I give some information. Let's see. I go into the policy history, which is, kind of boring legal stuff. And then I go into more of the dynamics of the Disability Access Program and literature reviews, which a lot of these literature reviews, unfortunately, I mean, not to sound biased, but these guys aren't great. I work with a lot of them, so a lot of these studies are flawed, but they're paid through by the host community. And there's a lot of bias within them. However, there's limited data on publications for 911 centers and call processing. There's different ways to do it, and I did go into the methodology and such. And specifically with this state as we're looking to do consolidation. And let's see, I basically show when we fund feasibility studies versus unfunded feasibility studies. If you notice, those that move forward with feasibility studies is a lower proximity than those that move forward without feasibility studies, which clearly indicates between the two, I don't need a feasibility study to move a consolidation project forward. Okay, I'll get out of this one. I'm in the internship now. I guess the only question for me is whether or not I need to incorporate my educational policy within this portfolio, which I'm unsure about. I'm probably going to have to send an email about. So this is basically it. I hope you enjoyed it. And if I don't hear from you guys, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving.